Penguins are southern hemisphere birds. Penguins are flightless birds adapted to marine life with a black and white belly for camouflage. A group of penguins in the water is called raft, but on the land they are called waddle. Penguins slide on their bellies instead of walking when they want more quickly and conserve energy. Many penguins are monogamous and stay with one mate for several breeding seasons. Each penguin has a distinct call that helps them find their mate and chicks among the crowd. Penguins have a special glands above their eyes that filters salt from their bloodstream, allowing them to drink salt water, sea water.